As we mentioned, tens of thousands of fans are cheering on the Twins today at Target Field. We have team coverage of all the day's festivities, beginning with Zach Lajwe, who's been downtown all afternoon taking in the sights and sounds of opening day. Zach?
Hey there. Hey there, Julie. You know, it might be cold outside, but the baseball fever is hot. Earlier this afternoon, when the gates opened, the sun was shining brightly. You could feel the warmth, but fans were still dressed in layers, and if they weren't wearing their layers, they were carrying their layers. And now looking around at fans leaving the stadium, they're still wearing their winter gear. Twins fans, ready for the 2018 home opener.
This is the coldest one. I've got hand warmers, foot warmers, gloves, a hat, everything.
Long johns?
Yeah, I do actually.
Ann Hensler.
I love my Twins.
The lifelong fan isn't alone.
I got a few layers going on.
Hat from your
Hat, boots to everything.
long johns.
Long johns too.
All bundled up in snow gear and everything.
This is the first time I've worn coveralls to the opener.
From head
Absolutely, but guess what? I got my Twins chopper hat on, I'm all set.
to toes and everything in between.
I don't open my coat for just anyone.
But the award goes to Twins fan and the mother of the original Minnesota Twins, Jan Miller.
I have twins that were born the year that the Twins started. So I have sweatpants and jeans and 3 layers on the top.
And we're gonna get a hoodie.
And we're going to get a hoodie to wear.
And like any mother, she came prepared.
This is a battery-operated jacket.
And what does that mean?
It means it'll keep me warm. It's heated. It's a heated jacket.
Like an electric blanket.
If you dress for the Minnesota weather, it's all good. You just have to know how to dress.